Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get Crunchy Premium for free. Let's get started. First, open the App Store if you're on iPhone or Google Play Store if you're on Android. Now type in Crunchyroll in the search bar. It should be the first one that shows up. Tap Install. And if you already have it downloaded, just tap Open. Once you're inside the app, you'll see the sign up or login screen. If you don't have an account yet, just tap Create Account, enter your email, make a password, and fill in the basics. That is super easy. Then after you're in, tap the Go Premium button. Here's the cool part. Crunchyroll gives everyone a 7-day free trial of the premium plan. You get no ads, access to the latest episodes, and even offline downloads, all free for 7 days. Just remember to cancel before the trial ends if you don't want to be charged. But for now, enjoy all your favorite anime with 0 interruptions, and that's it. You've got Crunchyroll Premium for free for 7 days. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.